guys, welcome back. It is Deja. What is going on, everybody? I am back with not an ASMR video, sadly, but a slime video. Sorry, I'm a little irritating, as you know. So let's set you guys up and I'll explain. Okay, so this is the slime. It's Play-Doh slime, and I guess this is what it looks like. It's like squishy and like a neon orange or like a peachy color. And then this is the lid right here. And then it's called Super Cloud. Super Cloud slime, I guess. And up here it says warning, choking hazard. Small parts not for children under 3 years. And then the bottom is Spanish. I know a little bit of Spanish. Oh yeah, I know what this says. It says danger. Defortament pieces Pisces ni convent pas aux infant demons detriens. Now, I'm not gonna tell y'all what that means, because y'all can look it up. Not to be rude. Okay, and it's for ages 3+. Okay, enough with this talking. Let's open it. So do you open it? Oh yeah, this is how it stretches. So do you open it from the back? Okay, let's read the small words. Not, just kidding. Okay, should I open it from like the, it's already open. Do you see that? Do you see that? Right there. I think somebody tried to steal it. Should I just open it from here and take the tape off? Can I just open it like that? No, from the bottom. Got one piece of tape. Just stick it on the floor. Nobody will know. That was loud. Okay. So I got it open. Let's just take this off. Get on. Oh, the slime is up. Yep, it's over there now. Okay, let's flip you guys back. Okay, and this is instructions. Why do you need instructions for slime? Nope, won't be needing those. Okay, so it says Play-Doh at the top. You guys can see it says Play-Doh. And then it says Super Cloud slime, slime, slime. Let's open it. Oh, I don't want to break my nails. Ooh. Did you guys see that? It's like some stuck to the lid. Ooh. This were like the little pieces that were stuck to the lid. Like small pieces. Mama. What if I stick it on my nail to look like I have like fake nails on? No, it wouldn't work. This piece is too thin. Still shows blue. Let's add it with a big one.
Hi, Deja.
Go away. Okay. So, it's kind of hard. I don't know. Because, like, look. It's solid. It's not solid. Can we, like, pinch? Pull. That's stretchy. Try and grab it. It's not that sticky. Guys, it literally feels like a cloud. Even though I don't know what a cloud feels like. Wait, I just took the whole thing off. Because I don't want to make a mess. I mean, it's not that sticky. Okay, we'll try it. If I can. Okay, I got it. Sit down on the cap. This is the full slime. Can you see it? It looks like a giant piece of bubble gum. Look, it's falling. Giant piece of bubble gum. Literally a giant piece of bubble gum. Like, literally. It's literally a giant piece of bubble gum. Oh my god. Seriously? That literally is just like... Literally. Oh no, my floor is dirty. Count how many times I just said literally. Literally. Count how many times and comment it down below. I can't speak today. Comment how many times I said literally down below. This is the slime. It's not that sticky. It's just like, it's just slime, basically. Let me close the door. Okay, basically just slime, stretches. Yeah, basically just slime. Oh, it's a little bit sticky. How about a little ASMR? Okay, that's enough ASMR. Well, guys, basically. Oh wait, hold on. Let me make a bubble real quick. Like, just real quick. Hit my hand on the ground. Oh, that reminds me. So, when I got out of school today, my mom took me to Subway because we had a coupon and me and her were really hungry. So she took me to Subway, and the lady that was cooking her sub, right? She hit her hand trying to open the little cabinet for the bread, because I like Italian bread because it's like a white bread, literally the same thing. I just said literally again, didn't I? Anyways, she hit her hand and she thought nobody noticed, but she went like... And then she started talking to my mom. I wanted to laugh so hard. I felt so bad because that looked like it hurted. So I'm just like, I'm sorry. But it wasn't my fault you hit your hand. It was your own. Not to be rude. What was I about to do again? Oh yeah, make a bubble. Did you hear that pop? No, it's something black. It's 2 pieces of black things in my slime. No, get out. Do you see that black thing? Do you see that? Get out. It didn't get out and I'm mad. I'm trying to do something. Why did you close the door? I don't have any molds I can do. Maybe I can like find something like this. I think it's a Jax. All you can do is just like poke holes. Oh wait, let me make a ball. Flatten it out. Oh, I keep hitting my knuckle. And then like squish it down. Like I want a berry. I just buried it in the slime. Oh look, you don't even notice. Now do you? Be honest. Nope, it's not right there. Let's see if anyone can see where it is. I'm gonna roll it. Try and find somewhere. Nope, nothing. Try. Okay, I will reveal where it is. So let me just dig. Okay, go away, go away, go away. No, slime got stuck to the Jax. Get on. Okay, wait. Well, guys, that's all for this video. I'm gonna close it up. I'm gonna close it up. Put the slime away, and I might bring it to school tomorrow. I'll see you guys next time with maybe another ASMR video. Another slime one. Never know. Or I'll just surprise myself with something. Or an unboxing video. Okay, let me shut up. I'll see you guys later. Comment down below, subscribe, hit the bell to make sure you watch all my new videos, hit the post notification, and tell all of your friends to do the same. Please, no judging. Thank you. Peace